Want to turn your skills into cash, but don't know where to start? What if I told you that in just 10 minutes, you could set up a Fiverr account and start selling your talents to the world? Whether you're a graphic designer, video editor, writer, or just someone with a killer side hustle, this is your chance to join the millions of freelancers making bank online. But here's the catch: if you don't set up your profile the right way, you could be leaving money on the table. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a Fiverr seller account that stands out, attracts clients, and gets you paid. Oh, and there's one big mistake most beginners make that could get your account banned before you even start. So stick around to find out what it is. Before we dive in, this is the mistake that most people make and their accounts have been banned. First, Fiverr does not allow users to have multiple accounts. If you need to create a new account for any reason, you'll have to close your existing one before starting a new one. The good thing is you don't need separate accounts for buying and selling. With a single Fiverr account, you can handle both activities seamlessly. Now let's get started. Begin by visiting Fiverr.com and clicking on Become a Seller at the top of the page. Click it again to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to sign up using your Google account or email. After that, you'll need to choose a unique username. This is the name others will see you on the platform. So pick something professional that will represent you. Once you've decided, click Create My Account. Make sure to create your Fiverr account while you're in your country of residence, because this cannot be changed later. Once you choose a country, it remains there forever. Your profile should accurately reflect where you currently live. Fiverr will then ask you to verify your email. Enter the code they send you, and once confirmed, your account will be created. After the verification of your email, you'll answer a few questions to know what you are doing on the platform, and the questions are: 1. What brings you to Fiverr? Are you here primarily to buy or sell freelance services? The good thing is that you can do both with one account. For this video, let's choose Sell Freelance Services and click Next. The second question is going to be: what type of freelancer are you? Are you doing this as a side hustle, a solo freelancer, part of an agency, or an agency owner? Since you are now starting, you should select side hustle or solo freelancer. Click Next. The next question is going to be about your experience. That is, what's your freelancing experience? Are you just starting out, or do you have experience both online and offline? Once you've answered, click Finish. A message is going to show up saying, "Great, you're almost there." The next steps are to complete your seller profile, create your first gig, publish it, and start selling. Click on Complete Your Seller Profile, and Fiverr will walk you through a tutorial on how to succeed on the platform. I recommend watching these videos carefully, as they provide valuable insights into building a strong profile. For the sake of time, I'll click Continue, but here are some key tips for creating a successful Fiverr profile. 1. Use a professional profile picture of yourself. Avoid AI-generated or fake images. 2. Be prepared to verify your ID if required. 3. Accurately describe your professional skills to attract more clients. There are also things to avoid. 1. Don't provide misleading or false information about your identity. 2. Remember, no duplicate accounts. You can have multiple gigs under one account. 3. Never take communication or payments outside of Fiverr, as this violates their rules. Now, let's fill out your profile details. Enter your full name. This will remain private. No one is going to see your full name. Choose a display name. This is what people are going to see. Fiverr suggests using your first name and the initial of your last name, but you can also use your brand name if you prefer. Note that your display name can be changed later, but your username cannot. Upload a professional profile picture of yourself. As I have said early, avoid using AI-generated images. Write a description, up to 600 characters, about your work experience, projects, or the niche you specialize in. If you're unsure how to write a compelling description, you can use ChatGPT to help. To specify what you're offering, your experiences, list of skills, what your clients will achieve with your services. ChatGPT can generate multiple options for you to choose from. Once you have a draft, copy and paste it into your Fiverr profile, making any necessary edits to ensure it reflects your skills and personality. Now, go ahead and list all the languages you speak. If you're multilingual, make sure to add each one by clicking Add New. then hit continue. Next up, it's time to fill out your professional information. Here, you'll specify the field you're currently working in or the area you plan to offer services in. For example, if you're a thumbnail designer, you'd select graphics and design. Or if you're a translator, choose the appropriate category. You'll need to list 2 to 5 of your top skills in each category. You can add multiple categories, but make sure to include the number of years you've been practicing these skills. Remember, you must list at least 2 to 5 skills per category to move forward. Once you've filled out the skills section with relevant abilities and experience levels, you'll notice the next category, which is education, is optional. If you have any formal education, like a college or university degree, you can add it here. Below that, there's space to include any certificates or awards related to your services. After completing this, click Continue. The final step is securing your account. You've already verified your email, but you can also add and verify your phone number for extra security. Don't worry, your phone number won't be shared with clients. Once done, click Continue. Now, you're ready to create your first gig. But before you jump in, I highly recommend doing some research. Take a look at successful freelancers in your category to see how they've set up their gigs. When creating your gig, you'll go through 6 steps: gig title, category, search tags, pricing, description, and more. I'll cover this in detail in a separate tutorial because there's a lot to unpack, and I don't want this video to run too long. But here's a quick tip. You can use ChatGPT to help craft a compelling gig description. Before setting up your gig, spend some time exploring Fiverr's main page, fiverr.com. Scroll through the categories to get ideas for the types of gigs you can create. If you're unsure where to start, click the search bar to see popular categories people are searching for right now. Look for profiles with lots of reviews and feedback. These are the ones getting clients. Open these gigs in new tabs to study how they're structured. Notice how they present their services, use bullet points, and highlight key features. Take inspiration from their pricing packages, basic, standard, premium, and how they describe their offerings. In my next video, I'll walk you through some simple services to make money on Fiverr. I've even linked a video in the description below on how to design a standout gig. Last thing to note, you can create multiple gigs. That's why there is no need creating 2 Fiverr accounts. If you're new here, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you never miss out on my next videos. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. And hey, if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with them. Let's help more people turn their skills into success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, go crush it.